Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A50 with any Android TV. First of all, here we are giving a disclaimer that phone used here in this video is not actually A50 but for educational and demo purposes this Samsung phone is used. Okay, so don't worry, the procedure is the same. So let's learn how you can go for screen mirroring. Okay, first make sure that your phone and TV is connected to a common Wi-Fi. So go to your phone and go to Wi-Fi section of your phone and see the Wi-Fi signal. Here my phone is connected to a Wi-Fi called Thurai 5G. So this Thurai 5G should also be used in your TV too for common Wi-Fi. Okay, so go to your TV and select settings of your TV there, and yes, select it and click on network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi and click on the Thurai 5G signal and it is connected. So my phone and TV is in common connection with Thurai 5G Wi-Fi. Okay, so this is the first step. You can also use your mobile hotspot from your phone and the mobile hotspot can be connected to your TV. That will also work. Okay, let's learn next step. Next, come to your phone and go to Google Play Store here and search for Google Home app. Go to Google Play Store and search Google Home app and install this Google Home app. Just install. Wait few seconds for downloading and installing. Yes, it is being installed. Yes, it is finished, and click on open after installing and click on get started. Just to follow the on-screen instructions wherever. If it is asking any permission, just to give it. And now you have to select the email ID. This is very important step, because if you miss this step, this won't work. Okay, so what email ID that you have used in your TV, that email ID should be selected here. Okay, so make sure that you use common email ID for Google Home app and your TV account. Okay, and yes, I have selected this because this email ID is associated with my TV too. And click on next, give permission, and click on next, give permission, and skip this step. It is not actually needed. And now click on devices so that your TV device will be appearing here. Just click on Android TV. This is the TV signal, and just click on it and click on cast my screen here. Then click on cast screen here and click on start now to initiate screen mirroring. Yes. Yes, screen is mirrored now. So what you see in your phone, that is also seen in your TV. So in this way, you can easily do screen mirroring from your phone to any Android TV. What you open in your phone, that will also exactly appear in your TV. I open YouTube in my phone and that's also seen in my TV. So in this way, you can easily do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A50 with any Android TV. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.